This is CBSE CCA software. This software has been designed for class 6 to 8. So first of all, you have to download the software. This will be in a zipped folder. You have to unzip it and click the CBSE CC software exe file. Now here you can see login, entry, view, print, setting and help. So first of all, you have to log in. For administrator, password is admin. So type admin, ADMIN. Click login. Here you can see all the menus are enabled now. So in the beginning of the session, you have to enter the basic details into the software, like subject names. It may be Hindi, English, Science or whatever may be running in your school, and click on save. It shows total 5 subjects have been selected. Never leave any column blank. You put dash dash. Now close it. Here you can see minimum and maximum marks for each and every grade and grade point. Say 91 to 100 for A1 and GP is 10. This is for 9-point grade system, and here it is 5-point grade system. So this has been given by CBSE. So if you want to change anything, you can change also. In this window, you have to enter the basic details of your school, like school name, school address, principal name, class teacher, co-class teacher, exam in charge, class and section, session, house, and total meetings of the school. This will be needed for calculating the attendance. Click on save. Now your software is ready for entry of basic details of students. For this, you click entry student profile single. Here you can see roll number, admission number, name, class, section, etc., house, all the details you can enter here. For next, you have to use this area. Here you can see 4 buttons. This one is for next record, and this one is for previous record. This one for top record, and this one for last record. Suppose you want to go to any specific roll number, like 15, type 15 and click on find. So here you are on the roll number 15. Once you enter all the details of all the students, you click save, and now click on update all. Now close it. Next job is to enter self-awareness. For this, you have to collect my goal, strength, my interest and hobbies, responsibility, etc. from your student. They can write in a paper. Now you have to enter those materials, those informations here. For each and every student, you write and click on save. Now how to enter marks? For term 1, FA1, all subjects. Here you can see the name of students, roll number and name of the subject which you have entered in the previous session. Now here you can see that maximum marks is 40. This has been set by you. So you have to enter the marks. See, one error message has come out. Marks cannot be greater than the maximum marks, that is 40. I have entered here 42. So this is error. So I have to change it. Suppose you want to print this table, click here, print table. Here one word file is coming. See, this has been printed by the computer. So you can take the printout and give it to the exam charge. Close it. For FA2 subject wise entry you have to make. For FA2 subject is English, there are 5 assignments, assignment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and total. So here you can enter the marks out of 20 like this. Similarly, you can enter all the marks for first and second terms. Now comes the descriptive indicators. This was a very difficult task because there are 10 components under life skill: self-awareness, problem solving, decision making, critical thinking and so on. So we have to enter out of 5 marks in each and every box and click on save. Work education. Similarly, you have to enter marks out of 5 and click on save. Similarly, you have to enter all the details for all the indicators. Now the last menu is select descriptive indicators for report card. These are the things which will be reflected on the report card. So here you have to select the descriptive indicator which you want to print on the report card. So you select the appropriate descriptive indicators. Next student. Like this. Now comes the next menu, view and print original marks. Here you can see the original marks. Here you have to do one thing. You have to click on convert marks and grades. This message must come. Marks were converted and grades were made successfully. If you want to take a print, you can print the current record. See? Or you can print the entire record by clicking print all. This is very good for performing result analysis. Suppose you want to print result analysis for FA1. Just click on FA1. All the details have been filled in. If you want to take a print out, see, it's very easy to use. If you want to save this file, you can save also. If you want to take a print out of result analysis of FA4, say for example, just click on FA4 and click print. It's very easy. The most important thing is mark slips and report cards. Here you can print mark slips or grade slips for students after taking the examination. Say once FA1 is completed, you can give grade slip to the student, or you can give slips with marks and grade also. So choose the appropriate box first and click on the examination. Here you can see on A4 size page you can take print out and you can give it to the students. Here you can see that logo of the school, school name, address, photograph of the student, subject, original marks, converted marks and grade, everything is there. So it's very easy and very informative. Here you can print the report card for students. Let's select Dinesh Yadav, click on print for single printing, and if you want to print all the student, you can click here. See, it will print the report card on both the side of the paper. So simply fold it and here you can sign class teacher, co-class teacher, principal, exam in charge, and take a printout and give it to the student. It's very easy. And here you can take a printout for teacher's record. This will print the report card with grade and marks also. See, this original marks, converted marks out of 100, and this one is grade. If you need any help, just click help, show word help file. So here is the help file, you can use it. For product key, you have to click here, get name, and then click print form. Print this form and send it to this, or you can send this file as attachment to this email ID, and I will give you a key which you have to enter here and click validate. Then here you can see full version with green color background. If you need any help, you can contact me. This is my phone number and email address, or you can send mail to this email also. Thank you very much.